Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Also to mention, I started some new YouTube channels, so be sure to check them out in the description below. Alright, so what are we going to be making today? Well, today we'll be making a pineapple and mango smoothie. So let's get started. Okay, so let's peel our pineapple. So the first, I already washed my pineapple. So what I'm going to do is cut off the top of it. If you want, you can plant this. I'm going to also cut off the bottom part of it as well. Actually, let's rest everything in here. Okay, now we're going to cut down the sides, so peel down the sides. Let's cut this down. I'm going to taste a piece because I want to know how sweet this is. This is very sweet. Well, it's sweet. So I'm gonna put the amount. I'm not gonna use all. What I'm putting into this bowl here is what I'm gonna use. So let me get to cutting up the rest, and then I'll be back. Okay, guys. So this is the pineapple that I'm going to be using. I'm gonna cut up my mango. I already washed this mango. I'm just gonna get the cubes out. Now you have a choice. You can freeze everything here. You can freeze the mango, you can freeze the pineapple. Actually, you know what? I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna cube this mango up here, and then I'm gonna freeze it along with the pineapple, and then I will blend up my. In that way you get a nice chill for your juice. And then I'm just going to take a spoon, just a spoon here, and we're just going to scoop out our mango. Actually, let's put the bowl right here so it goes through. And for this one, I am just going to suck it. I'm not going to cube this. I'm just going to kill the skin like this. First, I'm going to suck out the skin. This is a nice sweet mango. Okay, you know what? While I'm sucking this part of the mango, let me put this in the freezer so it can start to freeze up. But first, let me go wash up my. Okay, guys, I'm gonna enjoy my mango. You want to enjoy it with me? You want a piece? This is called a Julie mango. It's very sweet and juicy. Would you guys like a piece? It's almost finished. Right, well, my mouth is dirty. So here I have my mango seed. My mango is all completed. Alright, so we will just wait for those things to freeze up a bit. Then we'll move on to making our juice. Okay guys, so I decided instead of making the mango and pineapple into a smoothie, I'll simply make it into juice. So I have my frozen mango and pineapple here. So I'm just going to put it in the blender. Okay, I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of jaggery powder. This is a raw cane sugar. You can actually smell the molasses in this. You could sweeten it or choose not to sweeten it, but I will put about 1 tablespoon of the raw cane sugar in my own, and then about 2 cups of water. Now if I was making it into a smoothie, I would have used coconut milk. Well, let's use 1.5 cups of water first and see how that comes out. What I will add to this as well is a dash of Angostura bitters. So here I have some Angostura bitters. I'm just going to add a dash to the drink. Okay guys, there you have it, our refreshing mango and pineapple drink. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.